So what does a debtor does would be to actually call our EMP helpline first, and then that's when our helpliner would refer to us, and we will arrange for an appointment with the debtor itself lah. So during the session itself, we will actually try to get more info from the client so that we can provide a much more accurate assessment of their current financial situation. Then based on that assessment, that's when we will look into exploring different options for the debtor to consider so that they can work towards a debt-free journey. So the types of assistance actually is dependent on the types of loans that they have. So for instance, the debtors that we deal with, most of their debts actually ranges between loans with banks, licensed lenders, hire purchase and loan sharks, etc. So for banks itself, usually what we do is if their total debt is actually more than $10,000 and they have more than 2 to 3 creditors, we will actually look into referring them to Credit Counselling Singapore. Whereas if the debtor has a combination of different debts, let's say they have hire purchase, licensed lenders, and the amount actually accumulate to at least $15,000, then we will consider exploring options, the options of debt repayment scheme, possibly self-petition bankruptcy. But all of it really depends on the ability of the client, of the debtor to pay. Because at the end of the day, what we emphasize when we want to provide assistance to our debtors or our clients is that it has to come out from their own pocket money, and they have to be properly employed first.